In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online, manage employee payroll, and track taxes. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. From the left menu, open Payroll. If it's your first time here, select Get Started and walk through the short setup. And you'll be prompted for your business tax details like your federal employer ID and company address, so have those handy. Then add your employees one by one. For each person, choose whether they're hourly or salaried, enter their pay rate, set their pay schedule, and capture their tax withholding information from a completed W-4. Once this foundation is in place, QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and applicable state taxes for every paycheck based on what you entered. After setup, manage your team from payroll, then employees. Click an employee's name to make updates. This is where you can change a pay rate, adjust a pay schedule, update tax information, and add or edit deductions and benefits. If someone leaves the company, you can make them inactive so they don't appear in future payrolls while preserving their history. Keep these records current. Accurate profiles are the fastest way to avoid payroll and tax errors later. When it's time to pay your team, select Run Payroll. For hourly staff, enter their hours. Salary amounts will pre-fill based on the schedule you set. Take a careful look at the preview. Confirm gross pay, employee tax withholdings, and employer taxes, and make sure the pay date and bank account are correct. When everything looks good, submit payroll. Behind the scenes, QuickBooks posts the accounting entries for you, including payroll expense, payroll tax expense, and payroll liabilities, so your books stay aligned with each payday. To keep up with tax responsibilities, head to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. This dashboard shows taxes due, upcoming deadlines, and your filed forms. When a payment is ready, click Pay to submit it electronically. If you've enabled AutoPay and AutoFile for your payroll product and jurisdiction, QuickBooks will handle payments and filings automatically. Even with automation, it's wise to review upcoming deadlines and confirm your bank funding and e-file enrollments are active. For visibility, open reports and review payroll summary, payroll details, the tax liability report, and employee earnings. Use custom date ranges and export options to support audits, budgeting, and quarter-end or year-end filings. Finally, reconcile payroll monthly from accounting, then reconcile. Match payroll withdrawals to your payroll reports and confirm payroll liabilities are cleared after tax payments. This simple habit helps you catch timing differences and prevents overpaid or unpaid taxes. That's the workflow. With accurate setup, consistent updates, careful reviews, and monthly reconciliation, your payroll will run smoothly.